realtor, and today I'm here at my listing at 2902 Timberwood Way in the Oak Hills section of Herndon, Virginia. So I just wanted to give a quick tour of this beautiful property. Just a few stats to start with. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over a 1/3 acre lot, which is amazing around here. And we're at 2,200 square feet. It's about 1,700 on the top 2 levels, and then the basement is, most of the basement's finished as well. So first we're in the foyer, and there's hardwoods in the foyer and family room and kitchen on the main level. Nice storage area with built-ins. This is the family room. It has a wood burning fireplace and a ceiling fan, and access to the garage. It's only a 1-car garage, but it is a very spacious, it's almost like 1.5 cars garage. Like you could have a whole workbench and everything, a lot of storage. There's huge built-in shelves. So it's a really great size. Now, I think one of the best things about this property is the backyard. It's fully fenced, maintenance-free decking and a patio. I think for this time that we're in right now, a lot of the neighbors have pools and things. So I think it's really great. Everyone's going to be staycationing at home this summer pretty much. You can have a pool back here. If you have pets, fully fenced, great for them to run around, that kind of thing. So I don't know, I just love this backyard. So I also wanted to mention the windows were done in 2008. So that's an expensive thing to maintain. So that's been done. Here on my right, there's a powder room. The kitchen was remodeled, granite countertops, electric cooking, microwave. This is like one of my favorite parts of the kitchen. They have this really awesome pantry with these pull-out shelves, which is amazing. Stainless steel appliances, eat-in kitchen. This is the living room. 2 other models I've sold in here of the same model in the same neighborhood. They've actually made this their dining room, their large formal dining room. Not as many people use living rooms anymore, so I'm seeing that a lot. So let's head upstairs to the bedroom level. We're going to start with the master bedroom, which has closet and its own private bath with a shower. Updated tile work. There's a little linen closet area behind the door, which is nice. Then we have the second bedroom, which has a lighted ceiling fan and a closet. We also have the full bath, the hallway bath. It's been updated. The third bedroom, closet, and the fourth bedroom with a lighted ceiling fan. It has closet with built-ins, which is nice, and there's this nice linen closet too as well on this level. So let's head to the basement now. Carpet on the main level and the upstairs level was just replaced in 2020, so it's brand new. We have a Berber carpet. They also have a crawl space here where you can store stuff. I've seen people completely line this, and they put like decorations and things they don't only need once a year. They do have a small storage closet, nice Trane HVAC system. This is the recreation room. There's also this room, which could be for your office. It's a den, could be a workout room, which is nice. And this full bathroom, if you have company come, you know, they can have their own private area down here, which is nice. We have a storage room with a full-size washer and dryer, and the utility sink, and the it's, you know, it's just nice to have that when you're doing painting and stuff like that. We also have a sump pump and the hot water heater as well. So now we're gonna go take a look at the outside. It's a colonial style home, kind that you see a lot in Connecticut and Massachusetts. Head up there. We also have this under cabinet lighting, which I think is really nice when you're trying to cook, in like a little desk area for people. We'll head outside. It's a cul-de-sac lot, which is highly desirable. This is the end, so you know it's nice if you have kids or something that want to play in the cul-de-sac and you have to worry about it. Mature landscaping, and look at those beautiful roses. I just want to cut one and take it for myself for a while. But anyway, so it's really nice colonial style home. Mature landscaping. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to PM me. Happy to answer them, or leave a comment and I will get to them when I get back to the office. But thanks for watching and stay safe.